How to delete email account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. Then, tap on the mail you want to remove. For example, email. Here, tap on Delete Account below. Tap on Delete Account again to confirm. Keep in mind that if it's your primary email account, you will have to use its separate app or a browser to access it, and you will lose all the conveniences of the Mail app. Following these steps, you can easily delete email account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.